You're only considered a low-code master once you've learned how to use your mouse more often than your keyboard. That's why today's dev tip is focused on improving your productivity by taking advantage of your mouse. Drag an entity on top of another entity to create a relationship between the two entities. You can also drag an entity on top of an existing attribute to turn that attribute into a relationship. Similarly, you can change a variable into an identifier type by dragging an entity on top of the variable. If you have a variable that is already of an identifier type, drag the variable on the action flow to create a query that automatically filters by that ID. Drag a variable into the action flow and it will create an assign to change the value of that variable. Drag another variable into the same assign and it will complete the assign. If the variable you're dragging is a Boolean variable, it creates an if instead of an assign. And finally, if you drag a variable that is of a record type, it creates an assign of all attributes of that record. You can then populate the ones that you want to keep and delete all others with the shortcut Ctrl-D.